Now the last remaining thing to do in the schematic is to check electrical errors. In order to check electrical errors, Kicad has a tool that is electrical rule checker. Over here on the top button, over here you can see this tool. Click on this and this will run the electrical rule checker. This is the front window of electrical rule checker. This rule checker will not make sure that the design in schematic will work, but it checks for common connection issues such as unconnected pins or two power outputs shorted together, power input not powered by anything. It also checks some other mistakes like if symbol is not annotated and typos in net label. So in order to run the test, you can click on this run ERC and this will perform electrical rule check. Over here it has shown us two errors and it says input power pin not driven by output power pin. Same is the error, second error, input power pin not driven by any output power pin. So if I click on any of the error, you can see over here that these two errors, one error is shown over here and the other is over here. If I click on any of these, that arrow gets highlighted. You can see that the cursor is moving on the where the error is. So this error is that Kicad wants us to indicate that the power nets. So in order to remove this error, what we will be using are the power flags. So let's just close this and on the right side click in the, over here add power symbols, and let's find over here, you can search over here power flag. So these power flags are the special symbol for telling ERC where power comes from. So let's double click it and let's hit R, rotate it, and let's place this over here on the net, and let's add another power flag. Double click over here and I just dropped this over here. Let's select it, hit M to move, R to rotate, and place it over here. So we have added power flags. Let's again run this electrical rule checker. Let's delete all markers and let's again perform electrical rule check. Now you can see there are no errors and no warnings.